High-quality cyclone vacuum cleaner. Dual quality inspection process. Ensures product meets standards. Rigorous performance and safety checks. Thorough testing before leaving factory. Reliable and durable product. Verified basic functions and appearance. Flexible power cord. High vacuum degree. Customer-focused quality control. One top-notch assembly line. Ensures highest quality standards. Quality and safety assurance. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Dependable and efficient. Meeting design specifications. Stringent quality control process. Durability assessments. Factory tested assurance. Providing reliable products. To assured product reliability. Premium cyclone vacuum cleaner. Exceptional performance. Advanced quality inspection. Superior quality assurance.